Unlocking the power of can and could in English. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our intermediate grammar series. Today, we're focusing on the modal verbs can and could, particularly their use in expressing ability. These two little words can unlock a whole new world of expression in English, so let's dive in. Remember, using can and could correctly can really level up your English. Firstly, it's crucial to know when and how to use can and could. Can is used to express ability in the present, while could often refers to past ability or future possibilities. For example, I can swim denotes a current ability, while I could swim when I was younger refers to a past ability. Keep this distinction in mind as it's the foundation of our lesson today. Let's start creating sentences using can. Remember, can is about present ability. Here are some examples. 1. I can play the guitar. 2. She can speak 3 languages. 3. We can finish the project today. Try creating your own sentences following this structure. Subject plus can plus base form of verb. Now, let's move on to could. Could refers to past ability or future possibilities. Check out these examples. 1. When I was a child, I could climb trees. Past ability. 2. If we practice more, we could win the competition. Future possibility. Now, it's your turn. Try making your own sentences using could for past abilities or future possibilities. While we primarily use can and could to express ability, we can also use them for other purposes. For example, can and could can be used to ask for or give permission. Can also express possibility, and could can be used to make requests. Here are some examples. 1. Permission. Can I use your pen? You could use my car if you need to. 2. Possibility. It can rain later today. 3. Requests. Could you help me with my homework? Remember, understanding these different uses can greatly enhance your conversational skills. That's a wrap on our lesson about can and could today. With practice and understanding, you'll soon be using these modal verbs like a pro. Keep practicing by creating your own sentences. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!